The world of production lines and factory machinery has always been a captivating domain for those fascinated by engineering marvels and industrial efficiency. From crafting intricate components to assembling large-scale structures, these machines redefine precision, speed, and innovation. Today, we delve into some of the most impressive and satisfying production lines around the globe, showcasing their capabilities and contributions to various industries. SUS Spring Works. Masters of Mechanical Spring. SUS Spring Works stands out as a renowned expert in crafting custom hot and cold wound mechanical springs, stampings, wire forms, and more. Their expertise extends to machining, metal spinning, and water jet cutting. The company's ability to produce springs with diameters of up to 36 inches and free lengths of 70 inches demonstrates their unmatched proficiency in the industry. Their hot winding processes offer exceptional flexibility and quality, making them a trusted partner for industries requiring precision-engineered springs. SUS Spring Works also emphasizes efficiency by offering expedited services and accommodating flexible order quantities tailored to specific client needs. China RCM. This has established itself as a prominent leader in the field of manufacturing small and medium concentrated shield machines. Their diverse portfolio features advanced friction stir welding equipment, friction welding devices, and specialized CNC machining services, tailored to meet the evolving needs of various sectors. These products are integral to industries such as city pipeline construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, and high-speed rail. Among their standout innovations is rotary friction welding, a sophisticated process where two metal components are spun and pressed together to create exceptionally durable and high-quality welds. This groundbreaking technique is critical in the production of reliable and robust components, particularly in demanding environments. The company's dedication to precision and advanced engineering ensures that their solutions meet the highest standards of efficiency and performance, making them an indispensable partner for industries that prioritize quality and innovation. By continually pushing the boundaries of technology, China RCM solidifies its position as a trailblazer in modern industrial manufacturing. Aluplast GmbH. Innovators in plastic windows and doors, Aluplast GmbH is a German company renowned for its cutting-edge plastic windows and doors. Their designs prioritize thermal insulation, safety, and aesthetic appeal, making them a top choice for homeowners seeking comfort and energy efficiency. Aluplast employs advanced extrusion technology, where plastic pellets are heated and formed into profiles through precision-engineered dies. This process ensures consistent quality and allows for intricate designs. With a strong global presence, Aluplast has earned its reputation as a leader in the window and door industry, offering innovative solutions that enhance both security and sustainability. SMS Group, forging the future of metallurgy. The SMS Group is a global engineering powerhouse specializing in plant and machinery construction for industries like steel, aluminum, and copper production. Their expertise spans casting, rolling, forging, and extrusion processes. SMS Group is also a pioneer in powder metallurgy, providing facilities to produce premium metal powders used in additive manufacturing. Their state-of-the-art equipment ensures precise tolerances, making them a preferred partner for high-precision industries like aerospace and automotive. Additionally, their heat treatment systems can handle extreme temperatures, enabling the processing of challenging materials. SMS Group's comprehensive approach, from material selection to final assembly, sets them apart in the realm of industrial engineering. MTI. Leaders in friction welding. Manufacturing Technology Inc. has carved a niche as a global leader in friction welding. Their advanced technologies include rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding. These methods are crucial for creating strong, high-quality welds in industries ranging from automotive to aerospace. MTI's contributions to space exploration are particularly noteworthy. They have played a pivotal role in welding fuel tanks for the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Their innovative techniques continue to drive advancements in welding technology, ensuring durability and reliability in even the harshest environments. Texinter, precision in braiding machines. Russia's Texinter is a leading manufacturer of braiding machines and related software. Their machines are designed for a variety of applications, including cord, tape, tube, and wire braiding. Texinter's standout offering is the TCHAM Brighter multifilament software, which creates 3D representations of braided structures and calculates their properties. This tool optimizes machine settings, simulates braiding processes, and even arranges colors for precise results. Their commitment to precision and efficiency has made them a trusted name in industries requiring high-quality braided materials. Bailey Industrial, experts in metal machinery. Bailey Industrial is a globally recognized provider of metal machinery, including hydraulic tube benders. These devices are essential for creating handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more. Bailey's hydraulic tube benders are known for their speed, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness, reducing physical effort while delivering consistent results. By simplifying the bending process, Bailey ensures that businesses can achieve precise and repeatable outcomes, making them a go-to choice for professionals in metal fabrication. Formic, leaders in vacuum forming machines. Headquartered in the UK, Formic specializes in designing and producing vacuum forming machines tailored for a diverse array of applications. Their extensive product lineup spans from compact desktop models, ideal for small-scale projects, to large-format units equipped with semi-automatic features for more demanding industrial needs. These machines find utility across a wide spectrum of industries, including research and development, education, crafts, confectionery, and even theater production. Formic stands out for its dedication to providing budget-friendly yet highly adaptable solutions, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can benefit from their cutting-edge technology. The versatility of their machines allows for seamless transitions between prototyping and full-scale production, making them an invaluable asset for projects that require precision and efficiency. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cutting-edge machinery and engineering marvels. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of industrial innovation.